In example 2, we're going to solve for x using multi-steps with our logarithms. If we take a look at letter A, the first thing we want to do again is to change it to exponential form. We have our base is 3. We're raising it to the second, and that's equal to 2x minus 11. And then we can just evaluate this left-hand side. 3 to the second is 9, equal to 2x minus 11. Then we can add 11 to both sides, and we get 9 plus 11, which is 20, equal to 2x. And then we can divide both sides by 2. And we get our answer that x is equal to 10. Then if we take a look at letter B, we have the natural log of x minus 1 minus the natural log of 3 equal to 2. We have two logs on the left-hand side, but they both have the same base. They both have a base of e. So we can use our properties here to help us out. Since we're subtracting these two logs, we can take and combine them together as a division problem. So we're going to take the natural log of x minus 1 over 3 and set it equal to 2. Don't forget that we do have a base of e that's in there. It's understood that that's there. So now at this point, since we just have one log, we can change it to exponential form to solve. And that would look like e to the second is equal to x minus 1 divided by 3. And if we're going to solve for x, the very first thing we have to do is get rid of this denominator. And to get rid of that denominator, we can multiply both sides by 3. So I'm going to multiply by 3 on the right, which means I also have to multiply by 3 on the left. So I get 3e to the second equal to x minus 1. And then I need to go ahead and add 1 to both sides. So I end up with 3e to the second plus 1 equal to x. And at this point, I can plug that into my calculator and get an approximation for x, which is 23.17. Now I'd like you to go to the try this that's on the back. Go ahead and pause it, unpause it when you are ready to check your answer. If you did number 1 correctly, you should get x is equal to negative 3. And if you did number 2 correctly, you should get x is equal to negative 16 over 5. If you have questions on either one of them, please let me know.